Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Advisor to Chief Minister on the Office of AI, Ali Dar Saab. My fellow ministers, Advisor IT, Anusha Rahman Saiba. The Honorable Minister sitting here, Member Punjab Assembly. And I'm so delighted, and it is truly an honor to be part of this August gathering where I can see partners, I can see stakeholders, and the IT companies, the leading IT companies and experts here today. When we were conceiving this AI, and I would also like to appreciate, acknowledge Ali Dar for this initiative, because when we started talking about it, to be honest, there was very less information and knowledge around the governance and the AI ecosystem, which can be integrated to achieve more efficient, transparent outcomes and results of the governance that the Chief Minister, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, of course, has embarked upon the journey 2 years back. And when, of course, the conversations, the brainstorming started, so we actually realized the importance that how the AI ecosystem and the technology cannot just be an add-on, but how it can be a backbone of the governance system in terms of delivering outcomes and results of the policy achievements. And the architect of this entire initiative, Ali Dar, we all need to appreciate, acknowledge, because with this establishment of the Office of AI, I think Punjab will be leading in South Asia and also the first AI office of any government in the world, which is completely triggered and supported by the entire AI ecosystem in governance. And I think with this, it is just not an initiative, I would say, but I think it is the governance, how it is imagined, how it is delivered, and how it is experienced by the citizens when it comes to the delivery and outcome-centered approach. And I think the only transformational change that we have seen over the last 2 years with the leadership of Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif, that the current operating system of Punjab government is digital, it is smart, it is intelligent, and also it is driven by data. Every policy decision that she takes, every initiative that is launched, every program that is inaugurated is all driven by data. And data has been her hallmark. When she starts a project, and we all evaluate the outcome, the results, and then the live dashboards that she has, of course, in her office translates the technology-driven monitoring and evaluation of the governance of Punjab government at the moment. And I think by introducing this AI ecosystem will strengthen, as I said, the technology in Punjab government is not just the add-on, it is the backbone of the entire operating system and also the governance system of Punjab at the moment. Lots of initiatives, of course, in terms of digital ease of doing business for the corporate sector, for the education sector, health sector. The entire monitoring mechanism is all digital at the moment when it comes to all the Chief Minister's initiatives. And as we say, as Punjab moves, Pakistan moves. So with the establishment of the AI office at the office of the Chief Minister will of course translate efficiency. It will of course predict challenges as the strength of the AI, and will also enhance the outcomes at the ground level, at the field level. And one thing that I really want to say is that the vision behind this entire transformation and the establishment of the AI office at the Chief Minister office is that the sender is the citizen. Because this is the world that we are moving around, where citizens take the center stage, and the governance system, the governance model of the Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif is based on the citizen-centric approach. The entire reform that has taken place over the last 2.5 years, be it health, be it education, be it in the IT sector, youth empowerment, women empowerment, the law and order, and also the road network, the infrastructure. We're coming up with world's first and Pakistan's first medical district, that also coupled with Nawaz Sharif IT City which of course this AI office will also be looking at in terms of delivering the results at the citizen level. So Ali, once again, I congratulate you, because I think this is not just a small thing. It is to set a stage for Pakistan, for South Asia, and for the world, that if governments believe in monitoring, transparency and efficiency, this is the way ahead. And I think we are starting an initiative which will set the precedent for the future of Punjab in terms of AI ecosystem, the IT technology ecosystem, and also, as we all know, the province of around 130 million people and 60% below the age of 35. This is the right time that we invest into AI generated ecosystem, IT networks, and people like yourself. As Ali said, that governments cannot do this alone. You have to partner with government. You have to work with governments as partners, and this is also the right time where Punjab is heading towards public-private partnership in a big way. And as Samir was saying, that the lines and the channels are open to interact and interface with the government at this point in time, if you want to be part of this AI transformation or be part of the entire digital transformation of the Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz. एक बात मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी कि टीवी पे भी काफ़ी लोग इसको सुन रहे होंगे कि जो इस वक्त पाकिस्तान की यूथ है, with all these interventions that the Chief Minister is taking in terms of the digital transformation that we are seeing tonight, and the IT interventions that we have planned over last 2 years and also going ahead for 3 years, partners like yourself need to work with the Office of the Chief Minister, and the Office of AI is the right window of opportunity for each one of you to come and work with government, as we say, work for Punjab government with Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz, with your influence, circle of influence, with your partnership. I think we can loop in the youth that we can invest in terms of IT ecosystems. So once again, thank you very much. We will be looking forward to working with each one of you, and we will also plan an interface with Ali's office and also the office of the Chief Minister once we launch. I think we're planning a launch also with the Chief Minister of this AI office. So after today's meet, your input, your feedback and your interface with the Office of the AI for next 2-3 weeks will actually help us in designing the entire, because the ecosystem that you hold of the IT across Pakistan holds value, and we value it, and your input will also be valuable for designing our initiative and all our data sets and the entire ecosystem that will be linking every development project, every development department, every interface will be linked with this AI office, so that the government, because the Chief Minister says that the government and the governance should and must deliver now. And this is the only instrument that will augment it, that will translate it into success, because we are the government that does not explain failures. We are the governments that deliver success. And this is the model of Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz. So with your help, with your contribution as partners, as key stakeholders, we will inshallah make Pakistan, Punjab, the role model for AI governance around the world. So thank you once again, each one of you.